So here we are given the equation for a sine graph. So we have y equals a times sine b x minus c plus d. And we've already listed out what these variables represent in terms of sine. So the variable a is going to represent our amplitude, b is the horizontal dilation, it is not the period, c is phase shift, and d is the vertical shift. So if we look at this example given an equation, then we could say that the amplitude here is going to be 3. The period is going to be 2 pi divided by 2 pi over 3. Remember that this is the horizontal dilation. It is not the period. So if I were to rewrite this, I would have 2 pi divided by 2 pi over 3. And then using my rules of division, I would have to keep, change, and flip this. So this would be 2 pi times 3 over 2 pi. So here, my answer is just going to be 3 because the 2 pi's here would cancel. So the period in this equation is 3. The phase shift is 4. And because this is minus, it's going to be 4 units to the right. Now, that is opposite of what you think, because normally we hear or we see minus 4 and we think, oh, that should go to the left, but actually it goes to the right. And then the last component here is our vertical shift. So because it is positive, that means we had a vertical shift up 2. And that's how you determine your key components from an equation. All right, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. We'll see you all in the next video.